Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So I've been recommending shorts for about a week now because the daily has engulfed down. Now, until we actually get this significant break of structure right here to the downside, we do have to realize that this move down could bounce off one of these fib levels and it could continue back up. But for now, I will be looking for sorts while hopefully I learn and earn whether it does this, or I will learn and earn whether it does this, and break structure confirming that maybe this way B on like the weekly time frame is complete. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we actually had a beautiful, beautiful entry early this morning in the London session. I pretty much every single day I come on here and say looking for three-way pullbacks in the direction of the higher time frames. So what happened today this morning? We had, well, this is throughout the Asian session, but one wave up, one wave down, one wave up, respected Fibonacci level, and golfing move to the downside. Beautiful, beautiful entry to go short. Now, unfortunately, I wouldn't be trying to go short now, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long when the daily is potentially turning down. Unfortunately, the strategy now would be to either be waiting for a brand new short at the end of a brand new three-way pullback, or the strategy is to be already short and waiting for an exit to this trade. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.